Mia? Hi. I just woke up.
Wait, what? You just woke up?
Yes, it's bad.
What time is it?
8:36.
Oh no. Work starts at 9.
I know. I'm getting dressed.
Are you still in bed?
Maybe.
Seriously?
Okay, I'm up now.
Good. The boss asked about you.
Already?
Twice.
Great.
Then move.
I'm leaving now.
Good. Don't stop for coffee.
That hurts.
Life hurts. Go.
Come on. Come on. Where is the elevator?
Morning. You look stressed.
Morning, Linda. I'm late for work.
Really? You're usually early.
Not today. Today is a disaster.
That sounds serious.
It is. My boss already knows.
Oh no, that is serious.
Very serious.
Did you at least eat breakfast?
No, I barely found my shoes.
Wow, bad morning.
The worst.
Wait,
What?
your shirt is inside out.
You're joking.
No, look at the tag.
Oh no. Seriously?
Seriously, run.
Excuse me. Did the bus already leave?
Which bus?
The 24.
I think so. Maybe 2 minutes ago.
No. Seriously?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Oh, great. That's just great.
Bad day?
Very bad day.
There might be another one soon.
Soon, like 5 minutes?
More like 15.
That is not soon.
You could take the subway.
Right. Thanks. I'm running. Sorry, can I ask you something?
Sure, what's wrong?
I don't understand this machine.
Yeah, it's annoying. First time?
First time in a hurry.
Okay, press the blue button.
This one?
No, the other blue one.
Why are there so many buttons?
Because this machine hates people.
That's exactly how it feels.
Now choose single ride and pay.
Okay. It says processing.
Good. Don't forget your ticket.
Right, thanks. You saved me.
Excuse me, I think there's a problem.
What kind of problem?
My card isn't working.
Did you put money on it?
I think so.
You think so? Let me see it.
Here.
It's empty. Use the machine again.
Seriously? Which option do I press?
Add value. Next.
Come on, why isn't this working?
Hey, move.
Sorry, 1 second.
You already had 1 second.
My card isn't reading.
Then swipe it right.
I am swiping it right.
Clearly not.
Okay, wow, I'm trying.
And I'm trying to catch my train.
Me too, I'm sorry, okay?
Then step aside.
Fine, yeah, good idea.
There, 1 swipe.
Great, the gate likes you.
It racks people who know what they're doing.
That feels personal.
Maybe it is.
Okay, I got it now.
Good. Please go.
Excuse me? Is this the right train for downtown?
I think so.
You think so?
Yeah, unless it's the express.
Wait, what?
Sometimes it skips stops.
I really don't need sometimes right now.
Sorry, I'm not totally sure.
So this might be the wrong train?
Maybe.
Sorry, can you move a little?
Me?
Yeah, just a little.
There's no space.
I know, but I'm half outside the door.
Okay, that's not ideal.
No, it really isn't.
I can move my bag.
That would help.
There. Better?
A little. Thanks.
This train is always like this.
Why are there so many people?
Because everyone had a bad morning, probably.
That makes sense.
You look like one of them.
I am one of them.
Late for work?
Very late.
Yeah, I can see the stress.
Is it that obvious?
Your face is saying many things.
None of them are nice, I guess.
Not really.
Sorry. I'm trying to stay calm.
You're doing okay.
That does not sound strong.
It's a crowded train, I'm being honest.
Fair enough.
Oh, wait, move your foot.
Why?
You're standing on my coat.
Oh, no. Sorry.
It's fine, just lift your shoe.
Right. Sorry again.
You really are having a bad day.
And it's still not over. Sorry. Can you speak quieter?
Me?
Yes. Just a little.
I'm on the phone.
I know. That's the problem.
Wow, okay.
Sorry. I'm not trying to be rude.
It sounds a little rude.
Yeah, fair. I just have a headache.
And I just have a loud friend.
I can hear that.
She never tells a short story.
Mine either. Maybe that's why I'm tired.
Bad morning?
Terrible morning.
You do look a little broken.
Thank you. Very kind.
Sorry. I mean, stressed.
That is kinder.
Okay, I'll talk lower.
Thanks. I really appreciate it.
No problem.
She's still loud, though.
That's not me, that's her voice.
That's impressive.
Honestly, yes. Is she always like this? Every day. I survive somehow.
You're stronger than me.
I know. Okay, that was confident. I'm having a better morning than you. That is very easy today.
True. Thanks again for being cool about it.
It's okay. Just try not to fall asleep on me.
Sorry, do you know what's going on?
No idea. We've been standing here for 5 minutes.
It feels longer than that.
Yeah, because nobody is saying anything.
Did they make an announcement?
They did, but I understood maybe 3 words.
Same. I heard delay and then nothing.
I heard technical problem.
That sounds bad.
It always sounds bad.
Is this normal?
On this line, unfortunately, yes.
Wow, great day to try public transport.
First time?
First terrible time, yes.
You look stressed.
I'm late for work. Very late.
Ah, that face makes sense now.
Thanks, I think.
Sorry, I'm also trying to get somewhere.
Where?
Dentist.
Oh, that's worse.
Exactly. Nobody wants extra time before that.
Wait, people are checking their phones.
Maybe there's an update.
Or maybe they're just giving up.
Also possible.
Do you think we should get off?
And do what?
Good point. Panic on the platform?
That seems less comfortable.
True.
Oh, wait, we're moving.
Really?
Very slowly, but yes.
I can work with slowly.
Same. At this point, I'll take anything.
Sorry, where are we?
This is River Street.
River Street?
Yeah. Why?
Oh no. I needed Central Square.
Then this is not your stop.
I know that now.
You got off too early?
I think so. Or too late. Honestly, I don't know anymore.
Bad morning?
The worst morning.
Emma, you look a little lost.
Because I am lost.
Fair enough.
Does this train go back?
Not from this side.
Wait, what?
You need the other platform.
Of course I do.
Hey, at least you noticed now.
That is a very kind way to say I messed up.
I'm trying to help your mood.
I appreciate it.
Central Square is only 2 stops back.
Only 2?
Yes, it feels worse than it is.
That's true for my whole day.
Then today is being very dramatic.
Extremely dramatic.
Go upstairs, cross over, and take the next train.
Okay. Upstairs, crossover, next train.
Right.
Thank you, really.
No problem. And maybe check the sign next time.
Wow, helpful and honest.
Best kind of stranger.
Excuse me, do you know how to get to Central Square?
Central Square. I'm not sure.
Oh,
Sorry, you looked like you knew where you were going.
I do not. I'm a tourist.
Really?
Yes, I'm lost too.
Wow, okay, bad choice by me.
That was a fair guess. I was walking fast.
Yeah, you looked confident.
It's fake confidence. Very useful for traveling.
I need that skill.
Where are you trying to go exactly?
Central Square. I got off at the wrong stop.
Ah, I'm trying to find City Museum.
So we're both confused.
Yes, different goals, same problem.
Great, love that for us.
Wait, I have a map.
A real paper map?
Yes, don't laugh.
I'm not laughing, I'm impressed.
Okay, good.
Does it help?
Not really. I think I'm holding it upside down.
That would explain a lot.
Yeah, still confused.
Same.
I see No, sorry, that says Center Street.
Of course it does.
This city is not helping us.
My whole day is not helping me.
Then maybe we should ask someone official.
Yeah, a person with a uniform sounds safer.
Agreed.
Okay, thanks anyway.
No problem. Good luck getting unlost. You too. Thanks, I think I need it more.
Excuse me, can you help me? I'm trying to get to Central Square.
Central Square. Wrong platform. Go upstairs, turn right, take the blue line.
Sorry, what was after upstairs?
Turn right, then blue line.
Okay, upstairs, right, blue line.
Yes.
Does it stop at Central Square?
No. Change at Park Street.
Wait, change where?
Park Street.
Right. Sorry, I'm very tired.
I can see that.
So, upstairs, turn right, blue line, then Park Street?
Yes. Then take the green line.
There's a green line, too?
Yes.
Of course there is.
It's not that hard.
Today, everything is hard.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry, can you say it one more time, slowly?
Upstairs, right, blue line, change at Park Street, green line to Central Square.
Okay, I think I got it.
Think or no?
Think.
Great.
Sorry, that sounded bad.
I've had a long shift.
Fair. I've had a long morning.
Then we both want this conversation to end.
Honestly, yes.
Good. Follow the signs.
Right, the signs I should have followed before.
Exactly.
Okay. Thank you, really.
You're welcome. Now go.
Excuse me, can you help me? I need to get downtown.
Sure. Take the blue line, then change to the green line.
Sorry, the blue line first?
Yes, blue line, then green line at Park Street.
Okay, blue, then green.
Right.
And Central Square is on the green line?
No, not Central Square. Downtown.
Wait, I thought I needed Central Square.
Then that's different.
Oh no. Okay, so which line for Central Square?
Red line.
Red line?
Yes.
But you said blue, then green.
For downtown.
Right. Sorry. I'm completely lost now.
I can see that.
So, red line for Central Square, blue and green for downtown.
Yes.
And I need to go to work.
Then go downtown.
I don't even know where I am anymore.
Follow the signs upstairs.
Honestly, I think I'm done with signs.
Then what are you going to do?
Take a taxi.
That might be easier.
And more expensive.
Depends how late you are.
Very late.
Then yes, taxi.
Yeah, taxi. Definitely taxi. Downtown, please, as fast as possible.
Fast I can do. Magic I cannot.
Fair enough. I'm really late.
Morning problem?
More like whole day problem.
Ah, one of those days.
Exactly. How bad is traffic?
Bad, not terrible, but bad.
That does not make me feel better.
I'm trying to be honest.
I know, sorry. I'm stressed.
You look stressed.
Yeah, I've heard that a lot today.
Big meeting?
Yes, and I'm already late for it.
Then don't watch the clock. That only makes it worse.
Too late. I'm already watching everything.
Phone won't move the cars.
I know, but I keep checking.
Classic panic move.
That is exactly what this is.
Relax. We're moving. Slowly, but moving.
Slowly is better than standing still.
That's the spirit.
I had more spirit 2 hours ago.
Morning took it?
Morning, bus, train, wrong stop, all of it.
Oof. Taxi was the right choice then.
A little late, but yes.
Don't worry. I'll get you there.
Thank you. Please be the hero of my day.
I'll do my best.
I'm here. I'm so sorry.
You made it. Barely.
I know. It was a disaster.
You look like a disaster.
Thank you. Very kind.
What happened?
I woke up late.
Bad start.
Then I missed the bus.
Of course.
Then the subway machine fought me.
That sounds normal.
Then I took the wrong train.
Even better.
Then the train stopped.
Wow.
Then I got lost.
Please tell me that was the end.
No. Then I took a taxi.
Smart choice. Finally.
Very expensive choice.
Better than losing your job.
Fair point.
Do you have the client notes?
Yes, I checked 5 times.
Good. So your brain still works.
Only a little.
That's enough for today.
Am I in huge trouble?
The meeting starts in 1 minute.
1 minute?
Yes, and your shirt is still inside out.
Wow, okay, let's go.
Now you know why the day becomes so stressful. Sometimes a busy day in New York City can make everything feel harder. We hope this story helped you practice English in a simple and clear way. Keep learning and see you in the next video.